Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can manage a screen mirror effect of your front camera in the LENOVO Tab P11 II. So, at the start we have to open the camera app, then switch camera to the front one, and now just open the settings. Choose the more settings, and you can see that we have a save selfie as previewed. We can switch it on, and now if you take a photo, the photo shall be not flipped. Of course, if you want to flip the photo when you're taking the selfie or something, open the more settings and switch it off. Now if you take the photo is flipped. That's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe, comment, and goodbye.